3D printing these face shields created by 3D-Verkstan, a company in Sweden. We've been 3D printing them using PETG filament so that they are a little flexible and they feel better when you're wearing them.
Using 10 mil transparency, what we're going to do is we're going to use a 3-hole punch that we've put a couple of lines on so that we can line up the holes that we need to place in it. So I put 3 holes and I move it and put 3 holes there, and then I want to round a bottom and round a bottom, and next we basically will put this onto the frame.
Now that we have our plastic, we're going to attach it to the face shield frame. So, first 2 holes in, and we put the ones on the front, 2, and finally the other side, 1, and there we go. Next, we're going to add on some weather stripping. This is purely for comfort. This is not part of the original design, but we measured out 11 centimeter pieces, and now we're going to take one and cut it. Now, just to make sure it stays on there, we're going to put 4 dots of glue. And now we're just attaching the weather stripping to the actual frame. Alright, there we go.
And now you cut a 1-inch elastic buttonhole that is 16 centimeters long, and then you can attach it to the ends of the face mask. And that'll make it easier just to like wear and stay on your face. It is also adjustable, so you can change where like you're putting the hole through. There you go.